welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie, and today we are doing Make Your Own Erasers. Let's open it up. Wow. Whoa. Oh, we have the most I can believe it. That's funny. What are these? Oh, the instructions. Okay. Oh, we need to make a box. Yes. Okay, this is super tiny instructions. Well, that one's way too like oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the clay we're gonna use to make it work. Guys, this is the original way we're gonna put the stuff in that we're gonna put in the refrigerator. Anything else in here? Nope, let's just put that down there. We're back. Okay, sorry about that, but I'm just gonna make a toy story down there while I'm just gonna open this. I can't even open it. Okay, we're gonna have to go get some scissors. Or no. Here's the refrigerator. Wait. How do you open this thing? Well, how do you open this? Well, we're gonna figure out how to open this when we are done. That way over there. I feel this. Ooh, now here's the red clay. Here's the green clay, and here's the orange clay, and here's. Okay, I'm gonna be right back here. Let me get something down here. We got some brown clay here, and we got some white. So now let's open up this one here. Maybe some scissors for this one now. Oh no, there's actually. Okay, come here now. Whoa, everything came out at the same exact time. So we got this spray bottle. You have to put water in it because you know that's what you do with a spray bottle. Okay, that's pretty awkward. Okay, let's just keep that like that. But these are the molds here. I just had to get to the molds and I said, no way. I'm begging to open this thing. We got french fries, chicken, I think that's bread, chicken is bread. And we got a straw here, two breads, you know, and a cup, water, french fries, 3 cookies, pizza, bread, and on this one, we got the same exact thing, and you have to put like this, and then like this will make it like shape. You know what I'm talking about. You just know what I'm talking about here. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Because I know what I'm talking about. So you gotta spray the one you're gonna use on both sides, okay? So I'm going to do so hard to do it. But I'm just gonna do the french fries. Actually not. I'm just gonna do this one right here. And do the same to this one. Okay, so we got those 2 sprayed. Now let's take a little piece of this guy here. I had to break it, but just don't worry about the breaking. I think I got a little too tiny piece. I may have to get more. You have to squish it down in this mold here. And the more you're doing, because, you know, so do I. But clean both ones and just say nothing to the same ones here. I'm gonna get more orange for the other time. Let's go like here, like not too much. So now we're going to squish them together. We're going to take, we are going to have to like flip it. Yeah, flip it. Just like this. And we take a little wire here. Put a wire on this part. So this is my little bottle here. I make a bunch more. So let's get to it. I just did the turkey leg. After you put them together, put them in the oven for 10 minutes. And when they come out, they look like this. This one's orange juice. This one's that one's a pizza. This one's a hot dog. These ones are French fries. Let's test them out. I do it right now. I'm trying to erase it. It's erased. They actually erase and they come with this box and you put them in it. You can store them in here and travel with them. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.